From beginning?
Yeah, is that okay?
Sure. So you can see here is Icon application, which is running on iPhone as well as on PC here. And iPhone application discovers all the media servers in the house or in the web, in some content which is web-based like Picasa, like YouTube, MetaCafe and others. And it basically catalogs all your home-based media from multiple computers or media servers, stores all the indexes and so on, makes it searchable from a unified UI which can run on, as you can see here, on iPhone, soon Android as well, and others to follow. So what you see, you can basically search for your media. Oh, come on. Okay, just 1 second. It's you can search for your media instead of I'll do cats, and I don't know if I have any media about cats, but might get some media I'm getting from YouTube and so on. Maybe it's interesting, so I can do a preview on my iPod. Okay, watch it without disturbing other members of the family while they're watching something else on the big screen. If I decide that it's worth watching, okay, let's assume that I did, and so therefore I can stop this preview and press on default player, and it should in a second, internet delays provided, it will appear in a second over here on the big screen. Now what's happening here, so I can save this video in I can drag it in my pick list, which is my favorite, kind of, and the favorites is, as you're not sure if you can see it, but each user has his own identity. So your favorites in the house are different. So whatever is private to you stays private. Whatever is public, you see TV is the public device, and this is the private device. All right? So once you've done that, you basically can route it to the players, capable players. For example, if I drag video, you can see there is a red X on the audio device because it cannot play, because it can't resolve the formats. If it's not playable, it will not allow you to play. Okay? However, if it is playable, for example, if I'll do a search for audio, my local audio, and I need to raise because I don't have Cat's audio, I do the search, I'll get all my albums, and I can drag it here straight to my Cisco player, Cisco director, which is player over there. Oh, it gave me an error right now, don't know why. But network is very noisy here, so let me try a different media. This is not edited, and this one is playing, and now I can control my volume. Not sure if you can hear it. Of course, I can mute it and so on, but it is playing. You see that it's advancing, but it's done too much noise here. Something is playing.
I can hear it, yep.
Okay? So I can pause it, of course, and so on. The same I can do for, if I go to living room, if I pause this, okay, it's paused, I can, and so on. So I can control entire house, and I actually, you know, I can even take living room and move it from here to the TV, which is the second over there on the other side, which is connected, and it will appear in a second.
Cool.
All right?
Yeah.
Now, this magic can happen because every time if I close the application and start it again, okay, I'll get my picture back. The reason is because it's all stored on the plug itself, or computer, of course, but computer needs to be up. Computer consumes lots of power. Plug consumes 3 watts. and can stay always on, have all the indexes always available. In the future, once the devices like hard drives on computer becomes wake on LAN command, so you can have the index and wake the appropriate disk when you need it. It will incur some delay until the computer wakes up, but you can of course become green, and etc. etc. Now let's little bit about Marvell, since they are hosting us. Okay, so far any questions?
Nope.
So Marvell basically came up with this concept. This is single chip computer. It has, I think, 0.5 gigabyte of memory and storage. And what it is, if they'll stay with single application computing, it's appliance. You buy something, software and hardware package, in the store, you plug it in, it does something, but only that. Unlike computer, which you upload something, Microsoft changes something, and so it's suddenly something that worked stops, okay? And you all the time have to maintain your computer, okay? Amount of time that you invest, if you count how much it costs you, okay? So this is basically single application. It's very low power, and it's, as you can see, it just plugs in and does something.
And is this storage?
This is for developers, so it's developer port. It's in production units, it does not exist.
How much does this cost?
Ask them, I think they target for retail around $99.
Okay. And
I think it's too much.
How much does this application cost?
$5.
$5?
That right now, if you download it in the next couple of days, it will be free.
Wow!
And you can get entire digital home. You see, this is the DMA, which makes the magic on television. It's by our partner called Popcorn Hour.
Popcorn, yep.
So, and what they do is you can get two DMAs with all the cables and so on, so you could wire your home for this.
Wow!
So there's a raffle here. I'm sorry if you sorry, I got it. So cool.